This video shows step-by-step instructions on how to grow fenugreek from seeds. It is grown from spring to autumn between temperature 10 to 30 degrees Celsius or 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Dig the ground to a depth of 25 centimeters and break big chunks of soil. Make the soil fertile by mixing some cow manure or compost. In the clay soil, mix some river sand to make it free draining. Buy fenugreek seeds from a garden shop or a grocery shop. Sow the seeds directly or soak them in water for 12 hours to speed up germination. Sow the seeds just below the soil, about 5 mm deep. Place the pot in sun. Keep the soil damp. Seeds will germinate in 3 to 4 days. Fenugreek leaves will be ready to harvest within 4 to 5 weeks after sowing the seeds. Just chop the leaves from the top of the plants as and when you need. The plants will regrow and ready for harvest again after 2 to 3 weeks. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.